For years, Amal and George Clooney have been Hollywood's golden couple, the brilliant international human rights lawyer and the suave Oscar-winning actor. Together, they seemed untouchable, gracing red carpets, attending UN conferences, and raising their twins, Ella and Alexander, in their stunning Italian villa. Their relationship was the perfect blend of beauty, brains, and star power, admired across the globe. But behind the polished public image, it appears not everything was as perfect as it seemed. What started as whispers of tension within the Clooney household has now exploded into an all-out legal war that has shocked fans worldwide. According to sources close to the couple, Amal Clooney has filed an explosive lawsuit against her husband George Clooney, a move no one expected from the woman often praised for her calm, diplomatic approach to conflict. But when the courtroom doors opened, the world witnessed a very different side of Amal Clooney, a woman determined to defend herself, her rights, and her dignity, even if it means taking on the man she once called her soulmate. Insiders reveal that Amal's lawsuit centers around a series of alleged personal disputes that escalated far beyond what could be settled privately. Though details remain tightly guarded by legal teams, it's believed that Amal's claims touch on issues of emotional distress, breach of trust, and private disagreements that spiraled out of control. And if recent court appearances are anything to go by, this legal drama is only just beginning. In a stunning turn of events, witnesses say Amal Clooney broke down in tears during a critical moment in court. The poised, articulate barrister, known for holding her own against war criminals and corrupt regimes, could not contain her emotions as she recounted painful incidents that allegedly took place behind closed doors. Observers describe the courtroom as tense, with reporters and spectators hanging on every word. Amal's voice reportedly cracked as she detailed how recent conflicts with George had left her feeling betrayed and isolated, a far cry from the loving partnership the public thought they shared. One insider remarked, "Amal is known for her composure, but even she couldn't mask the depth of hurt she's feeling. Watching her break down like that showed the world this isn't just some celebrity spat, it's deeply personal and painful." While Amal poured her heart out, all eyes were on George Clooney. Known for his charming, easygoing persona, George appeared visibly shaken during parts of Amal's testimony. Some claim he avoided eye contact, others say he looked remorseful, but one thing is certain, the actor is facing the most challenging role of his life, and it's not on the big screen. Legal analysts suggest George's legal team is preparing a robust defense, but the emotional toll on both parties is undeniable. "This isn't a simple tabloid scandal," one source commented. "This is a complex, high-stakes legal battle involving two extremely intelligent, high-profile individuals who know how to navigate global platforms, but are now navigating a deeply personal crisis in front of the world." As news of the legal showdown spread, fans, legal experts, and celebrity insiders have been quick to weigh in. Social media is ablaze with speculation, with some siding with Amal, praising her bravery for standing up to a powerful man, even if that man is her husband. Others express disbelief, finding it hard to reconcile these explosive allegations with the couple's once idyllic public life. Adding fuel to the fire, rumors have circulated that close friends of the Clooneys, including other A-list celebrities, are being dragged into the legal drama, either as potential witnesses or through association. Hollywood is bracing for a fallout that could tarnish reputations and fracture friendships built over decades. Perhaps the most heartbreaking aspect of this entire situation is the impact on the couple's young twins, Ella and Alexander. The legal proceedings have already created a media frenzy, and the thought of their private family life being dissected on global platforms is enough to concern even the most seasoned celebrity parents. Insiders close to the Clooney family suggest that both Amal and George are desperate to shield their children from the public spectacle. However, with the lawsuit already grabbing international headlines, keeping their family life out of the spotlight may prove impossible. Despite the courtroom drama, some close to the couple hold on to hope that Amal and George might eventually find common ground. Friends suggest the love they once shared runs deep, and that both are devastated by how far things have escalated. However, with emotions raw and the legal lines drawn, reconciliation feels like a distant possibility. Still, Hollywood has seen its fair share of shocking turnarounds, celebrity couples divorcing, reconciling, and even remarrying. Could Amal and George surprise the world yet again? Only time will tell. As this explosive legal battle continues to unfold, We'll be right here bringing you the latest twists, exclusive insider details, and expert legal analysis on Amal Clooney's emotional breakdown, her fight against George Clooney, and what it means for their future. So make sure to subscribe to this channel right now and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next jaw-dropping update in this unbelievable saga. This is one Hollywood story you'll want to follow until the very end.